Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are joining from. Welcome to TOPVEETFX. I remain Odua Shares Contributor of Oluka Chief Coach of TOPVEETFX. I'll be looking at what is going to happen during the course of the week. We're going to be looking at it together and going to analyze our view on the market, and that is what we are about to start. And I'll be starting with AUDCHF. Now, AUDCHF, last week, I gave us a trade on AUDCHF. We analyzed, and I told us that the first level, the second level, that, and we are expecting the third level, and which this market, we extended this week, and the market broke and pushed to the top, which means that this is the third level which they have given to us. And on Friday, so that's just simple things that before I will enter this trade, before I will make entry on this trade, I'm expecting a pullback to the top. I'm expecting a pullback to the top, meaning that I'm expecting a pullback to this price or to this region. And that's exactly what I am waiting for right now. In fact, bye-bye. Enjoy yourself. So now we are looking at this market. We are expecting to come to 0.5900 or 0.5950. That is the region where I'm expecting this market to get to, and we are going to look for our good sell opportunity. That's what I'm expecting on the AUDCHF. I'm watching out for a sell on AUDCHF, and that's what I'm expecting. They are giving the first push, and if I were to look at, if I'm going to be looking at it on the other side, I'll be using this as my first momentum. I'll be using this as my first momentum of the market, while I'll be using this as the second momentum of the market, which is the second momentum, and this is the third momentum that I'll be looking at. So, which I am looking for a drop. But before I get the drop, I'm waiting for a retest at this region. Let the market come and retest this region. The moment the market comes to retest this price, then I'll be looking for a down sell. So on AUDCHF this week, I'll be waiting for the market to come back to test the 0.5900 or 0.5950, and I'll be looking for sell opportunity around that region. So AUDCHF this week, I'll be looking for more of sell opportunity on AUDCHF. GBPNZD, same thing I told us on GBPNZD, that I'm expecting a sell this week on AUDNZD, that they have given me the momentum to the down. They push, they create another momentum, and I'm expecting them to come back to test this price, which is 2.1100. 2.1100 or 2.1050. At this region, I'm expecting the market to test this region. I'm expecting them to test here, which is 2.1050 or 2.1000. 2.1100. So I'm expecting the market to come and test. Then we'll look for our sell opportunity to the down. So far, so good. GBPNZD, I'll be looking for sell opportunity this week, but I'll be expecting the market to push in further to this price. So far, so good. That is where I'll be looking for my sell opportunity. So far, so good. GBPNZD, this week we are looking for good sell opportunity this week. And also, let's talk about AUDNZD. On AUDNZD also, the last time we do our analysis. I told us I'm looking for a buy, and the market pushed to the top and gave us three levels. Now, I told us that I'm expecting the market to pull back to that region, and which they have done. Then from this AUD exit, you can look for your good sell opportunity around this region, because they have given us the shoulder, edge, shoulder, and we are going to be looking for a good sell opportunity around this region. For me, this is a good, nice time for me to look for a good sell opportunity on AUD XLD, because coupled with the fact that they have given me a very good, strong opportunity. The only thing I'm looking for right now is I'm looking at it that there should be a good divergence for me to enjoy this before I will trade this market. I will need to like to see a divergence, which I have not seen. So I'll be waiting to see a divergence until I see a divergence before I will now pick this trade properly. Meaning that there might still be one remaining retest that they do on 15 minutes. So which means that there will still be one retest like this that I'm expecting. So, and if they come like that, that means this market is just going to touch here, then they will drop it. So that is what I am looking for of 15 minutes. So AUD XZD, look for good sell opportunity on AUD XZD. AUD XZD final decision, I'm looking for a good sell opportunity on AUD XZD this morning. And also AUD card, let's look at what's happening on AUD cards. AUD cards, the last time we created AUD cards, I told us that I'm still expecting AUD card to push to the top, whereby they give us the first momentum to the top. And when they rise the momentum, I told us that I'm expecting this to happen, which they give us a pullback. And from this pullback, I told us we are still going to buy. And that is exactly what I'm still expecting on this AUD card. AUD card, I'm still expecting AUD card to buy. AUD card still expects more of buy opportunity on AUD card. So this is my final CP on AUD card. I'm expecting AUD card to come to 0.9050. 0.9050. That's where I'm expecting AUD card to get to for me to see the third momentum. So far, so good. That's my decision on AUD card. AUD card still for a good buy opportunity on AUD card. So we are expecting the last momentum. Expect buy opportunity to 0.9050. That is where we have the market maker waiting for us right there. So far, so good. AUD card, look for good buy opportunity around this region this week. And that's my decision on AUD card. Let's go straight to GBPCA share. On GBPCA share, I told us that I will still be looking for a pullback before I will make my final entry on GBPCA share. GBPCA share, it has shown us a very good momentum to the top, which I really love the pattern that he has given to me. So far, so good. The market pushed to the top, he ranged and he pushed. He ranged and he gave me the final push to the top. So I'm looking for a good sell opportunity on GBPCA share. GBPCA share, look for a good sell opportunity during the course of the week around the price of 1.45, 1.14500. 1.14500. Look for good sell opportunity around that region, meaning that there's still going to be a push to the top before the sell will finally drop. So far, so good. That is my decision on GBPCA share. On NASDAQ, the last time we met, I told us I'm expecting a NASDAQ to buy from this region and to get to this level. And that is exactly what they did all throughout last week. They bought, and that is a massive profit to every one of us. And they have come to this region, and I told us that before we would do anything, I'm looking for them to give me a very good, nice M opportunity there, and which they are giving me the first leg of the M, and they are giving me the egg, and I'm looking for them to come back and test this region. And however, they might decide to continue to drop this market from this region. So far, so good. Look for sell opportunity on NASDAQ. Look for good sell opportunity this week on NASDAQ. That is my decision on NASDAQ. I'm looking for sell opportunity. On US 30 also, we discussed on US 30 that was last week. We discussed on US 30, and on this US 30, I told us that since US 30 is still showing us a very strong pattern to the top, we analyzed, and I told them that they will come back and test this region. From this region, look for a good quality buy opportunity, which we bought the market there, and the market push till Friday. And I told us that in as much that they are still showing us the strength that they want to go bullish, we are still going to be looking for more of buy opportunity on US 30. But in as much that they have come, I told us that I'm waiting for them to give me momentum until I see the momentum before I will believe that they need to change direction. And if I may not deceive you, this is one of the strong momentum I always wait for. I always wait for this kind of momentum, and that is the momentum that we have seen that they have given to me by pushing it, and they are giving me this massive seller. And I'm waiting for them to come back here until they come back to that region before I will now see another momentum, before I will believe that truly that now US 30 really wants to drop. So far so good. On US 30, I'm expecting the price to come back and retest this market maker footprint at this region, which is 39,800, before I will look for any good sell opportunity on US 30. For US 30, before I will do anything, I'll be expecting the market to retrace back to this level, to the price of 39,800, 39,800, or the price of 39,900. So far, so good. I'll be looking for good sell opportunity at that region. And my TP will be at this region. My first TP is going to be at the price of 39,100. That will be my first TP. So, but before I will do anything, I'll be expecting this pattern to play out before I will be looking for any good sell opportunity. So now, therefore, I'm expecting this market to pull back to that region, test that region, and after testing that region, then I'm going to be expecting a good sell around this region. So far, so good. Our TP1 is going to be 39,100. Then our TP2 is going to be 38,400. So that is my decision on US 30. Now let's talk about BTC. On BTC, I gave us a trade on BTC, and that trade, we all made a good massive profit on Friday. While I told us on Monday, thereabout, I told us that we should be expecting BTC to sell to this region. And from this region, I told us particularly that there will be a pullback and the BTC is going to buy. And I gave us another trade here, which we bought to the price of 58,000, which is the place where I predicted that the market would get to and continue dropping. And exactly at 68,000, I gave us a entry pattern there. And I gave us an entry, and I told us to sell that our TP is going to be a 62,000 price. And exactly what we predicted is what played out. And from this 62,000, what happened? They pushed back to the top. So from this region of BTC, I'll be looking at all glory be to God for that winning, all glory be to God for that winning. Let me delete all those things and let's reanalyze what is going to play out at this BTC. On this BTC, as I can see from my screen, I can see that this is just only the first momentum, the second, the third, the push, and they give me a full drop. And I'm still expecting a massive drop down on BTC USD. So BTC USD, this week, I'm still going to be focusing my attention more on sell opportunity direction. I'm looking for more of sell opportunity around this region. So far, so good. That is my decision on BTC. Look for good sell opportunity on BTC. BTC USD sell. On EuroCard, this Euro card also we discussed, and I told us that I'm still going to be looking for more of buy opportunity on Euro card. And however, the market pulled back to the market maker footprint that I marked the last time. That market maker footprint that I marked is still what we are going to be looking for. We are still going to be working on that market maker footprint, and that is exactly what we are going to be looking. We are going to be looking for a good buy opportunity. We are going to be looking for a buy opportunity. Excuse me for that. We are still going to be looking for a good buy opportunity opportunity on Euro card. Euro card, look for good buy opportunity around this market maker footprint. That is my decision. So far, so good. Until they break this height, meaning that our target should be around 1.4900. 1.4900 is our target that we are looking at. That's our target. So look for good buy opportunity on Euro card. NZD JPY. On NZD JPY, the last time we discussed on NZD JPY, I told us that this is a very good quality divergence I can see from here. And from this divergence, it told us that the market would buy on Friday, and on Monday, they came to give us a retest, which I told us that they would definitely do. And from there, I gave us this TP to be at the price of 92,000 or 91.70. And that is exactly where they pushed to. And we gave ourselves a good quality sell opportunity around this region. And that is exactly what you see that they are doing right now. Meaning that we are still on sell direction, a sell momentum. So this is the first level that they are giving to us, and we are expecting second level, which means our TP for this NZJPY that will still continue to sell will be at the price of 89.50 or 8900. That is where I debated, and that's where I believe that they are coming to. This is the market maker footprint I can see here, and that's our target. And that is where I believe that they will come to on this NZD-JPY. NZD-JPY, look for good quality opportunity for sell. Look for good quality opportunity for sell. And the price might came back to this place to retest before they do the move, meaning that they might use Tuesday and Monday, Tuesday to do a pullback to this price. Then they will now look for good sell and drop it to this market maker footprint at 89.50. So far, so good. That is my decision on BTC, on NZD-JPY. I don't know why BTC always enter my mouth. So that is my expectation on NZD-JPY. We are going to be focusing on more of sell opportunity on this market. So far, so good. NZD-JPY, still look for more of sell opportunity on NZD-JPY. AUD-JPY also. On AUD-JPY, the last time we analyzed, I told you that we see expecting AUD-JPY to destroy this particular height. I'm expecting them to destroy this height, and that is exactly what they did. And congratulations to every one of you who still enter the buy opportunity, whereby they give us the first push from this place. When they give us the first push, they use how many weeks to hold it. Now they finally give us the second push, and they give us this rating, and they push also, which is the last one. And now what I'm expecting on AUD-JPY is I'm expecting AUD-JPY to retrace back to the price of 99.50. 99.50. From 99.50, then I'll be looking for a good sell opportunity from that region. So far, so good. AUD-JPY this week, still look for more of sell opportunity on AUD-JPY. That is my decision, and that's what I'm looking for. Euro-JPY also, without wasting much of our time, I'm still expecting a sell opportunity on Euro-JPY. So, which I have already analyzed last week, Friday, that this is what I'm expecting, that everybody should close their trade on this, that there will be a pullback. And that is exactly what you see that they are doing right now. So far, so good. Euro-JPY, expect the market to come back to 16500 or 164.70. Look for sell opportunity around that region. On GBP-AUD, I told us that before I will continue to sell GBP-AUD, I'll be expecting GBP-AUD to still come back to the price of 1.9450 or 1.9500. That is where I'll be looking for more of sell opportunity. GBP-AUD, I'll be looking for sell opportunity later in the week. Euro-AUD, on Euro-AUD, The last time we analyzed Euro AUD, I told us that I'm expecting a buy of Euro AUD to the price of 1.6750 or 1.6800, and that is exactly what they played out by coming down from that region down back to this region. They give us a W pattern, we bought, and the market dropped back to this region. So we are still expecting this Euro AUD to still push to the top. So still look for good buy opportunity on Euro AUD data in the week. Euro AUD, go for a buy opportunity. Also on GBP JPY, we are going to be selling GBP JPY. That's my decision on GBP JPY. But before I do that, I'll be expecting GBP JPY to come back and test 19300. 19300, I'm expecting GBP JPY to come back and test that region. And they might decide to come to this price before they will go down there. They might decide to come to 189.50. They might decide to come to 189.50 before they now go and test that price of 19300. So far, so good. Still look for more of good sell opportunity on GBP JPY this week. Expect them to do a pullback between today and tomorrow or Wednesday. Then Thursday and Friday they'll be able to drop it. So far, so good. That is what I am looking for on GBP JPY. Look for good sell opportunity on GBP JPY. Now we are talking about Shell JPY right now. On Shell JPY, the last time we discussed, we look for a good quality buy here and we bought. And I told us that I'm looking for a good sell opportunity around the price of 170.100 or 170.50. And that is exactly what they paid out from there. They drop it and drop it down back to this place. But as I can tell you for free, we are still going to be holding on Shell JPY. It's going to be a very long time opportunity. We only reached 30 pips, and ever since then, we are still holding it. And I told us that our final bus stop is going to be at the price of 160, 200. That is our final ticket we are expecting the market to go to. So far, so good. On Shell JPY, we are still going to be looking for more of sell opportunity on Shell JPY. That is what we are going to be watching out for. Watch out for sell opportunity on Shell JPY. Let's go straight to USD JPY. USD JPY, I told us that I'll be looking for good sell opportunity, and this is the reason why I'll be doing that. They have given us the first level, they gave us the second level, and they gave us the third level. At this third level, I look at this market and I told us that they should drop this market here, which they finally did, and they came back to this region. And by dropping it, they still go back and return this region. And when they came here, I told us that there will be a buy opportunity. The last time we analyzed it together, and that is exactly what they did. And I gave us the TP that they are going to destroy this height, that they need to destroy this height, and that is exactly what they did. They have compounded a lot of people there, and I told us to wait for a good, nice M pattern. And that is the M pattern you see them playing out right now. They are playing it out right now. So look for good sell opportunity on USD JPY. USD JPY, look for good sell opportunity. That is my decision. And also, let's talk about AUD USD. On AUD USD, the market, I'm still looking at the market, and on this AUD USD, I will still advise us to hold on. If truly this market is going to do what we are expecting it to do, I'm still expecting this market to buy. I'm still expecting AUD USD to buy. And that is why I marked out this market maker footprint. I mark it out for us at the price of 0.6500. I told us that we should look for a good buy opportunity there. And that is exactly what they are still doing. They push the first leg, they pull it back, they push it to the top, and they have done the pullback. I'm expecting them to break this height. So far, so good. I'm still expecting them to come to the price of is 0.6800. So far, so good. I'll still be looking for good quality buy opportunity on AUD, USD. Euro USD also, I'll still be focusing my attention on a good quality buy on Euro USD. And I told us the reason why I'm doing that. They have used the first push, the second push, and I'm expecting the third push to break this ice. And that is what, and the reason why you see that I mark this thing that I'm still expecting them to go to the top. So far, so good. I will still be buying Euro USD this week. I'll still be buying Euro USD this week. That is my decision on Euro USD. And if you look at it here, you can see that the divergence is already playing out on this particular pair, Euro USD. So far, so good. This week, I'll be focusing my attention more on Euro USD to buy. NZD USD also, without wasting much of my time, I'll still be expecting NZD USD. I'll still be looking for good buy opportunity this week. And what I'm looking at is the drop, the put, they have dropped. So I'm expecting maybe it's either they go up from here, it's either they go up from this region, or they stomp on, they give us this pattern, then buy. So NZD USD, I'm still going to be focusing my attention on a buy opportunity. Only thing I'll be looking at is I will need to observe the momentum of the market before I will enter the market. If I see that the momentum is still in favor of the seller, I'm going to go with sell on NZD USD to the price of 0.5900. So until they come to this price, then I will now do a careful observation again before I will make my entry on a buy. Because AUD USD showing me buy, Euro USD showing buy, USD showing sell, definitely NZD USD will also buy. So that is what I can analyze and I can see in this market. I'll be focusing more on buy opportunity. Now let's talk about GBP USD. On GBP USD also, the last time we discussed, I told us that focus your attention to drop this market. And that is exactly what they did. And I gave us a good sell opportunity here. And that sell has come to the TP that I marked. I told us I'm expecting it to come to 206. And that is exactly where they have come to. So congratulations to every one of you who took on this sell, on this GBP USD. Now, what I'll be expecting is I'm expecting GBP USD to still drop to the price of 1.2550. 1.2550, I'm expecting them to come to that price. When they come to that price, then I'll be focusing my attention to see if there's going to be a buy for me or not. So far, so good. I'll still be focusing my attention on GBP USD to come to 1.2550, then look for my buy opportunity around that region. And let's talk about USD card. On USD card, I told us that I'll still be focusing my attention on the sell. That no matter what I'll be looking at, I'll still be selling the market. And that is exactly what we are still going to be doing. I'm still going to be looking for sell opportunity on this USD card. USD card, focus your attention on sell opportunity. That is my decision. Coupled with the fact that you can see that there is a strong divergence playing out here, and the divergence also is assuring me that this market is going to drop. So far, so good. Look for good sell opportunity on USD card. On USD CHF, I told us that USD CHF, if not because of the news that was being released that the CHF cut their interest rate by minus 1 point something percent, this market should have made a very good massive drop. And but we predicted that they will come to 0.9000, and what we predicted is exactly what they did. And if you look at the screen very well, you can see that the market has given us the first level, the second level, and the third level. So far, so good. I'm expecting them to drop this market this week. So far, so good. I'm expecting a sell opportunity on USD CHF. USD CHF, look for a good sell opportunity or USDC. The only thing I'm looking at right now is that they might want to support people out of this market, then do like this, drop it like this, then drop their market. But for me, I'll focus more on sell on this USDC than focusing on the buy. That is my decision on USDC. Now let's discuss about the last pair, which is the massive one that everybody are waiting for, gold. Now, on this gold, I would like us to be very, very patient with gold this week. I would like to be patient with gold this week. I would like to be patient with gold and let me see what has in store. Because analyzing gold is giving me different direction from every other USD. Gold has given us a particular momentum. And if I want to go by that momentum, I'll be focusing more on sell opportunity on gold. But, however, my mind still tells me that is my own sentiment. I believe that every one of you know what sentiment is all about. After doing your quality analysis and you have done everything, but your sentiment is still telling you that the market will buy. And that is exactly what I am seeing from gold market. Even though all the sentiment is still showing me that I should look for sell, but I believe that the market is still going to buy. I don't know why. I don't know reason that I am thinking like that, but with what I am seeing here right now, they gave me only first push, they gave me only second push, and they gave me the third push to the top. So I should be looking for more of sell. But my spirit is just telling me that they are still going to do what? They are still going to push this market to the top. But this week, let's go to 1 hour. Let's go straight to 1 hour. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour before I give my final verdict. Now, on 1 hour, they drop this market, they push it, they drop it. This is Thursday. They drop it again, and they push. So, meaning that the Wednesday will know where they are going. And so, now this is what I am looking at. Gold will buy from here. This is what I'm looking at. Gold will buy from here. Expect gold to just make an entry into this region. I'm expecting gold to buy from here. So I'm just expecting gold because they are giving me this. In as much they are giving me this, so let them come back and test this region. If they come back and test this region and they didn't break this region, I will know that we are going down massively. So I'll be focusing more on buy opportunity on gold. That is my final decision. So the price of 22 22.10. Expect gold to go back to 22.10. That is my decision. It may not be pleasant with you. It may not be okay with you. So, but that is my own decision. Official Empire said, my decision too. Okay, he said his own decision too. I'm expecting that to happen on gold. That is what I am expecting, and that is what I'll be looking out for on gold. I'll be looking for buy opportunity. I'm in the buy holding to that zone. Okay, so this is the region I'm expecting them to come to. So look for gold, and that is all I have for you this week. Just look for your pattern of entry. Look for your pattern of entry and enjoy yourself. And that's my decision. I remain Oluwasesan Temitayo Oluka Odiuba, the chief coach of TOPVEETFX. I celebrate every one of you and drop in your comment section what you want me to talk about and what do you see in all these things. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.